Nestled within the freshly sculpted expanse of the Hoefsevonder estate, a verdant nature reserve spanning nearly 6 hectares, sits a home that breathes with its surroundings. This is not just a house, but a carefully placed sanctuary designed to embrace the abundant sunlight and the untamed beauty of its southern plot. Here, the landscape unfurls in a tapestry of wet grasslands, vibrant flower meadows, and nascent forest plots, all under the watchful gaze of an expansive farm landscape. The property itself is a harmonious extension of this natural world, bordered by ancient wooded banks and a wide, meandering ditch, a favorite evening passage for deer that roam freely. Within the garden, a riot of wildflowers and grasses dances around a natural swimming pond, mirroring the wild beauty just beyond its borders. The villa, subtly elevated above the landscape, rests almost asymmetrically on a generous concrete terrace, strategically designed to maximize sun-drenched seating areas. Above, a sweeping roof, seemingly floating on slender, circular columns, offers shelter to the main living spaces. The ground floor seamlessly integrates living, dining, and sleeping areas, while the upper floor unveils a spacious office, offering panoramic views of the distant landscape, a perfect perch for work or quiet contemplation. This level also accommodates additional bedrooms, ready to welcome children and guests. Every material chosen for the house reflects its relaxed setting within this natural agricultural haven. The roof, clad in ceramic slates of mixed orange-brown, echoes the warm hues of neighboring farms and barns. Dark-stained wooden elements discreetly enclose the more private areas, while expansive glass fronts with delicate aluminum frames dissolve the boundary between indoors and out, inviting the gentle breeze to flow freely through the large sliding doors. If you loved this tour, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more architectural insights, and let us know in the comments below what your favorite part of Villa Hoefsevonder was. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.